I've got 4 side hustles that no one is talking about that can earn you as much as $900 or more per day with basically no skill. All you have to do is choose one of these ideas and then execute.
First side hustle is selling what you already own on Facebook, eBay, or Craigslist. Now, I get it, this requires you to actually own something to begin with. But I would venture to say that almost all of us have something in our possession that we don't really use anymore, or it's sitting in a closet collecting dust. And if that's the case, those are the perfect items to begin selling for cash. Places like eBay, Facebook Marketplace, and Craigslist make it extremely easy to list whatever you have, place it up for auction, have the buyer cover shipping, and your total time commitment is simply taking pictures of what you want to list, putting it up online, writing a description, and then shipping it out once it's sold. And worst case, even if it doesn't sell, you're out nothing and you still get to keep what you have. Now, the downside though is that it's not a stable income source, and there's a limit to how much you're able to sell before you're living in an apartment that's completely empty with a mattress on the floor. But at the very least, it's a great place to start. You'll get paid for stuff that you already have, you'll clear out a lot of clutter and make room for more activities, and it's something that probably 90% of you are able to do immediately that costs you absolutely nothing.
Let's throw away almost 5 pounds of trash per person every day, and all this trash ends up in your trash cans, where a garbage truck then comes and picks it up. But after the trash has been taken to the trash can, there's always something left over. Gunk. Smelly garbage juice that attracts cockroaches, ants, rats, possums, and other rodents and pests that could then eventually find their way into your home. And this is where you come in. You'd be really surprised to learn that a lot of people will pay you really good money to pressure wash their trash cans once every month, or even as much as every week. Someone recently left a door hanging flyer at my house that was advertising this exact service. And what shocked me even more than the prices they were charging, given how little time it took to clean one trash can, was that people were overwhelmingly excited about this service and willing to pay for it. For example, I recently saw a post on Nextdoor where somebody was saying that they discovered a mobile trash can cleaning service and that they didn't even know this type of service existed, but they wish they had known sooner. And all the comments under that post were filled with people who were overwhelmingly excited about the service. And the best part is that getting started is incredibly cheap and easy. The first thing that you'll need, obviously, is a pressure washer. And the best part is you don't even need an expensive commercial pressure washer that'll cost you thousands. A simple $70 to $150 battery powered pressure washer will work perfectly fine. Now, you'll want to be sure that you buy some type of pressure washer that has a soap attachment that allows you to spray soap onto the trash cans before you actually pressure wash them. For the soap, you can either buy some cheap solution from a hardware store or Amazon, or simply use a watered down mixture of Dawn dish soap. Alternatively, you could also use some type of separate cheap sprayer like this one here to spray the soap on. And these things can be bought at Walmart or pretty much any hardware store. And honestly, in terms of your equipment, that's all you need to get started. Now, the next thing that you'll need to do is actually get the word out about your business, and there's a few different ways you can do this. You can post in local Facebook groups, Craigslist, or on sites like Nextdoor, and these are all free ways that you can promote your business, and I would highly recommend that you do them. But there's something else that you should be doing if you want to get even more business, and that's creating physical door hanging flyers. These things are incredibly easy to create, and you can buy them super cheap in bulk on sites like Vistaprint. For example, as you can see here, 1,000 of these door hanging flyers can be bought for 11 cents a piece. This means you could get 1,000 flyers for just $100. Or if you wanted to start with less, you can buy as little as 50 for about 80 cents a piece. But obviously, if you buy more, then you'll get a better deal. And in terms of the design for this flyer, simply do something like this. But in total though, with the pressure washer and the flyers, you should really only be spending between $100 and $300 to get started, which really isn't a lot of money considering how much you can make with this side hustle. I've seen people charging around $65 for one-time trash can cleanings and about $35 for monthly trash can cleanings, plus an extra $10 for every added trash can. I mean, imagine for a second that you cleaned 4 trash cans every hour for 8 hours straight. That's 32 cans. Times that by $35 per can, I mean, we're talking upwards of $1,100 or more per day. Or you could only work for a couple of hours and easily make hundreds of dollars. Folks, this side hustle is incredibly easy and cheap to start, requires zero skill, and is a service that a lot of people would pay money for. And if one of you watching starts this side hustle and starts making good money with it, I want you to send me an email at joshuamayoofficial@gmail.com, because I would love to record you and share your story in a future video on my channel.
Go
ghostwriter. Everyone and their mamas are launching books nowadays, and you think they're all sitting down to write these books by themselves? Honey, they're not. They hire ghostwriters to write for them. Granted, the ideas might be theirs, they might own the rights to all of the content, but there's some people who are behind the scenes, sometimes writing for them. They're ghostwriters that write for blogs, they're ghostwriters that write for books. If writing is your thing, if that's something you already do at home anyway, then you might as well start generating income from it. And y'all know I love watching CNBC Money because money is my thing, okay? And there's a girl who makes $378,000 ghostwriting on Fiverr.
My name is Alex Fasulo. I'm 28 years old and I make $378,000 per year as a freelance writer on Fiverr.com.
I mean, that's how much doctors make. She used to earn less than $50K a year when she worked full-time, and now that she's a ghostwriter full-time, she makes over $300,000. Actually, almost $400,000. So if you're good at writing, if you really enjoy sitting down and putting pen to paper, then girl, you should check this out. Now,
if you watch more videos on entrepreneurship, personal finance, side hustles, customer service and customer experience, your business won't survive without the customer, because customer is the heart and soul of any business. Please do well to subscribe to my channel now and turn on the notification bell so that every time we upload another video you get notification from YouTube. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Get into affiliate marketing. Have you ever wondered how companies like Amazon and eBay make their money online? Yes, they sell things, but how do they get their traffic? They use affiliate marketers. Affiliate marketing is promoting companies by adding a link to their products and services on your website or your social media pages. So whenever your readers or your followers click on that link and make a purchase in that company through your link, you are going to get a commission. It is very much like a digital salesman, only you do not have to get all the body aches or pain as you move from door to door. Imagine the kind of potential for income this business has. E-commerce companies like Amazon offer up to 10% commission on every item purchased using your link. Other platforms and vendors offer higher commissions, some even going as high as 50% to 60% or more. Imagine you sell a bag of $100, you're going to get 50% of that, that is $50. That is how amazing affiliate marketing is. It is estimated that the affiliate marketing industry will grow to around $6.8 billion in the next half decade. There is a lot of money to be made there, and all you have to do is to find a way to redirect the traffic. Some of the most successful affiliate marketing websites include platforms like This Is Why I Am Broke, which make around $50,000 worth of commission every single month. The good thing about this site also is that starting a blog isn't that expensive. You can achieve this with platforms like Wix, which allow you to build websites for free and very quickly. Of course, if you want to go professional, which is advisable, you need to pay content creators and designers, which will increase your overhead expenditure a bit. All in all, you can start a blogging business today and get well on that way to make money passively in the future.
Another side hustle that anyone could do, and that would be flipping items for free online. Now, this is actually something that Gary Vee talked a lot about, and the more I looked into it, the more I realized that wait a second, he's right. There's a lot of great stuff out there that people are giving away for free. For example, go to Craigslist and under the for sale section, there's something that has my favorite word listed there. Yeah, it's free. Seriously, just look at all the free stuff out there. And if you want a $0 side hustle that you can make a decent amount of money with, this is it right here. Of course, I know people are gonna be some negative Nancys about it. They're gonna say, but Graham, all of that stuff is just junk and nobody wants it. What a waste of time. And yes, some of it might not be the best, like this rock or a 5-foot extension cord. But if you keep looking, here's a working refrigerator for free. No joke, someone will pay $100 for this with the proper advertising and not a blurry picture. Go and pick this up, put it on Facebook Marketplace with better pictures, and then sell it to someone else for a profit. Or here's a working piano that someone else might pay you for. And yeah, there's also a lot of random stuff on here that you're gonna have to sift through, but come on, it's not like people are gonna be giving away Steinway pianos and restoration hardware furniture. Most of what you see is going to be a diamond in the rough, and it's up to you to know what to look for and how to best market and sell it online. Now, as always though, just be careful meeting anybody from the internet because someone on YouTube told you to do something like this. Just put your safety first and profit a close second. But Gary Vee is right, this could be a great side hustle for anyone looking to put in the work. However, before we go into the fourth option, it's really important that you hear this message because this is a problem that so many of us deal with. Don't you hate when you're so busy making money that you forget to plan what you want to eat for dinner, so you have to order Chipotle instead? Me too, it happens all the time and it's so expensive. But thankfully our sponsor today, ButcherBox, is here to help. They're a customizable delivery service for people who want high quality meats delivered right to their door with the utmost convenience. 100% grass-fed and pasture-raised beef, they stake their reputation on it. Free-range USDA certified organic chicken, don't pull my leg. Pork raised crate-free, make sure not to hog it all for yourself. Wild-caught salmon, now they're just fishing for compliments. What would you pay? $10 a meal? $15 a meal? $50 a meal? Think again, you could get all of this.
So until next time, take care.